What are you doing?
Nothing.
You won't have any to put on your burger if you eat it all. No, you need two hands. Put the tomato down. Put the tomato down.
Just go there first.
Put the tomato on the bench and step away. Ryan, you won't have any left for your burger. Put the tomato down here. Now cut this like a chip, that way. Long ways. That's not a chip. That's not long ways. You're not using your finger properly, look. Cut it that way. That way. You're making wedges. Stop eating the tomato. Ryan. Good work. What happened? You right? Turn them over so they're cooking now. Careful. Good work. Good job. Now we're going to make the sauce. 2 of them in there. That light's in the way. Good job, mate. Keeping an eye on the food. Watching your chicken. Alright. You need another one of them because you've got to have 2. You've only put 1 in. Get that again. Put another one of the mayonnaise in there. Yep. And then 1 of the honey. You're flipping them again. Good work, mate. That'll work. Maybe use the other spoon to help get it out. I know, it's coming out. Don't flick it around too much. You'll make a big mess. You don't want honey all over the floor. Use that little spoon and mix it up after you turn that again. Good work. Is it cooking, Ryan? It should make a nice sauce to put on your burger. There's a look. Have a little taste.
No.
It's your sauce for your burger.
No.
Alright, cut your tomato up. Mate, you're going to turn into a tomato. And you've cut it kind of the wrong way, haven't you? No. That's it. Cut that. Put that over here. We'll give that to the chickens. Oh my lord. You won't need any on your burger. Oh my lord. Ryan. And spread it around like butter. No, okay. Get your tomato, yeah. Mum doesn't need any of that. Luckily. And some lettuce.
Look at that.
Some lettuce on yours and a little bit on Mum's.
Lettuce.
Yeah. What's going on there? You've got lots of lettuce, mate.
Mum.
Alright, put your chips on the side.
Oh God, is that too hot?
Go and get the egg flip or something. They're not very hot. Yeah, put them on the side of the plate next to your burger. No, that's no.
What the hell?
Yeah, on the side of the plate. They don't go. They're not on the burger. Oh, you can have them on the burger.
I got the
You naughty.
the big burger.
You're gonna have a big burger, are you?
Yep.
All right. Move this out of the way.
Sorry, Lee.
Oh my goodness.
What was that? Oh, to the mum.
Yeah, look at Mum's. Work, that chicken looks really good, doesn't it?
Oh, to the way.
It's nice and golden.
Oh, just the mum.
What?
Remember why?
What are you doing?
Mum.
Just put the chicken on top of your lettuce, mate.
Yeah.
You said you were going to have a big burger.
Dude.
Leave that on there. I don't want all that lettuce.
Ah, what the hell?
What?
Oh, what's the mum?
Oh, that's for Mum. Thank you.
So, mate. Oh, but that's mine.
Oh my goodness, that's
Oh,
massive.
Mum.
Yeah, and you're giving some more to Mum. Good work. Maybe save that other little bit for Jack.
Oh.
Save that bit for Jack. You're gonna put it on your burger. All right. How are you gonna get your mouth around that?
Alright,
That's huge. You're gonna put a bit more sauce on it. Drizzle a bit of sauce over the top. Have a taste of your sauce. It's really nice.
Oh no, the dumb sauce.
Well, okay, but you just put it on your burger.
No, dump it.
Can you put some more sauce on my burger? I like the sauce.
Good,
It's delicious. Maybe it'll smother all that lettuce.
Oh, do that, Mum. Ain't that better?
Yeah, it looks pretty good, doesn't it? Let's go and try it out.
Ugh. Okay.
Oh, no. Good job, mate.